Good morning, student. Previous classes, exercise 9.2, 1 to 6 problems finish. Today, exercise 2, remaining problems 7, 8, 9, 10 problems. These 4 problems finish after we have 9 lessons completed. Next one, direct and inverse proportions. Here ninth lesson exercise 2, 7th problem. See, the area of the equilateral triangle is 49√3 centimeter square. Taking each angular points as center, a circle is described with a radius is equal to half length of the side of the triangle as shown in figure. Find the area of the partition in the triangle not included circle. Here see, 3 triangles given, 3 circles given. So these 3 circles connect to the external. Here given, they are forming one triangle. Here see, this like a given, here to here, here to here, a radius 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 60, 60, 60. What is triangle? Equilateral triangle. What the triangle? Equilateral triangle. Here see, they are asking what is the area of the, this is asking here middle. So first we find out the area of this triangle. Next one, area of the sector of the circle, area of the sector of the circle, area of the sector of the circle. So this is a sector. Here how many sectors? Now this is a sector. So here 3 sectors given. So these 3 sectors area we find out after the area of the triangle minus area of the 3 sectors we are finding after middle space area we know. So here given area of the equilateral triangle here given. Area of the equilateral triangle 49√3. So always according to the trigonometric √3 value 1.73 according to trigonometric values. Now next one, here area of the bisector. area of the sector. So here a radius. Radius how much given? Here 7 centimeters. So area of the sector. Area of the sector. See, their angle given how many degrees? 60 degrees. So x by 360 cross out pi r square. So we know x value how much? 60. 60 by 360 cross out pi value 22 by 7. R value constant. R value, pi value constant, 22 by 7. R value, radius, we know 7. So 6 1 ja, 61 ja, 66 ja, cross out, 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja, 22 cross out 7. How much? 6 2 ja 12, 132 cross out 7, 14, 22, 924 centimeter square. So area of the sector x decrease by 360. Why x decrease by 360? Actually here see, total circle finish how many degrees? 360. So here this sector let x. So here given 60. So 60 by 360. Normally area of the square root pi r square. So 60 by 360 cross out 22 by 7. R value 7. So 7 into 7. So there we are multiplying area of the sector how much? 922. Here 6. 6 6 jar 0 0 6 6 jar 7 7 cancel. So how much here? 132 cross out. Yes, sorry. Yes. Here now 6 11 2 11s are 2 3s are 77 by 3 centimeters square. One area of the sector 77 by 3 centimeters square. Total there how many given? 3. So area of the 3 sectors. Area of the 3 sectors. 3 cross out 77 by 3. Why here one sector 77 by 3. They are given how many sectors? This is a 1 sector, 2 sector, 3 sectors. 3 cross out 77 by 3. 77 centimeter square. Now we know area of the triangle 49 root 3. So now finally we have to find out area of the middle partition is area of middle partition in triangle is equal to area of the triangle minus area of three sectors. Here area of the triangle 49 cross out root 3 minus 77. So root 3 value I said 1 cross out 1.73 minus 77. So how much? You see now? Okay, 49 cross out. So these one we are multiplying 173 cross out 49. 9 3 are 27. 9 7 are 63 65. 9 1 are 9 plus 6 50. 3 4 are 12. 3 4 7 are 28 29. 4 1 are 4. 4 plus 2 6 7 7.14 84. So 84.77 minus 7. So subtract 84.77 minus 77. 77. So 4 here 4.2. We take one number here 7.277 centimeters square. So this middle partition area 7.77 centimeters square. They given area of the equilateral triangle 49.3 according to logarithm values root 3 value 1.73. So a radius given 7 centimeters. Area of the sector. So x decreased by 360 cross out pi r square. X value here 60 given. 60 by 360 72. R value 7. So 7 7 cancel. 22 cross out 7 by 6. 2 11 jar 2 3 jar 77 by 3. So one sector area 77 by 3. Here 3 sectors area 3 cross out 77 by 3 77 centimeters. Area of the middle partition of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle minus area of the 3 sectors. So root 3 value 1.73, 49 cross out 1.73 minus 77, 7.277 centimeters square. Right. Next one. Here 4 equal circles, each of radius a, touch one other. Find the area between them. So four equal circles described about the four corners of a square. So each circle touch two of the others. Find the area of the space enclosed between the circumference of the circle. Each side of the circle measuring 24 centimeters. Eighth one. So question, read carefully. I write on the board question and that one read. After that question I explain. We have taken so much time. So that's why I read question. So you also read question. After you are understanding question. Here eighth one. Here see. Here given four equal circles, each of the radius A touch to another. Find the area between them. Here see four circles. 1, 2, each one touch to others. 3, 4. They are asking each circle touch to two circles. Now this is touch this one, this one. This is this one, and this circle touch to this one. Like these four circles, this like they arranging. So here next one they are asking one square that four corners of the points of this circle. So here see these square four corners, these points. Now this is their given picture. They are asking, see what is the area of this one. They are asking. First we find out the area of this square, and the next one we find the area of this sector, these four sector. After we find the shaded region. Here here see, here to here radius A, here to here radius A. So now first one, length of the side length of square, how much? A plus A, 2A. So now area of the square, side into side, how much? 2A cross out 2A, 4A square. That is area of the square. And next one we find out the area of this sector. So here see angle 90 degrees. So now area of this sector x by 360 cross out pi r square. So x value 90 degrees. 90 by 360 cross out 22 by 7. A value, A cross out A. Radius 9 4 ja. So pi value after we keep here, see. 4 pi a square by a. R value radius 5 pi a square by a. Now here see. Area of the shaded region area of the square minus here how many sectors? There 4 sectors. So area of the one sector pi a square by 4. Area of 4 sectors of circle. 4 cross out pi a square by 4. 4 4 cancel pi a square. Now area of shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Area of square minus area of 4 sectors of circle. So area of the square how much? 4a square minus area of the 4 sectors, so pi a square. So a square is 4 minus pi. 4 minus pi. So now we know pi value 22 by 7. You see, we know pi value. So a square equal to 4 minus 22 by 7. Here write remind. So a square equal to 7 4s are 28 minus 22 by 7. So 4a square by 7. Right. Six a square. 28 minus 6a square by 7. That is first one. Next one, Four equal circles are described about four corners of the square. Each circle touch to two others. Find the area of the space enclosed between circumference of the circle. Each side of the square measuring 24 centimeters. Here, next one here given, 8th one, second one. Here 24 centimeters. Here to here. So now here to here how much? 12. Here to here 12. So here see. Each side of square given each side of the square how much? 24 centimeters. Area of the square 24 cross out 24. How much? 576. Like a finally answer 6a square by 7. So 6 cross out 576 by 7. Division. 6 by 5, 7 by 576 cross out 5 into 56. Here 1 6 24 class of 24. Before the 16, 4 2 9, 8, 4, 6, 7, 5, 1, 16, 14, 14. 20, 6 2 14, 6 0, 6 8 56, 7 8 56, 4 0, 5 7. Now 8 1.82.285. Now this like coming. See. Now area of the square 574. Area of quadrant circle. How much? Here 1 by 4 cross out pi r square. So 1 by 4 cross out. Pi value 22 by 7. R value here to here 12. So 12. 4 1 jar, 4 3 jar. This value 3.14 cross out 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 1 4. 3 3s are 9, 9.42. So there are how many given? 1 2 3 4. So now area. Now here, so area of the 1 by 4 pi r square here 12. Here see 4 1 jar, 4 3 jar. Next 12 3 jar 36. 22 by 7 value 3.14 cross out 36. So one time we are multiplying 314 cross out 36. 6 4 24, 6 1 6 8, 6 8 3 18, 4 3 12, 3 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 3 3 9. Here 4, 10, 30, 11. So 0 113.04. So one sector area 113.04. Their total how many sectors? Area of 4 sectors. 4 sector of the circle. So 4 cross out 113.04. So 16.12 1 5 452.60. So now area of shaded region equal to area of sphere minus area of 4 sectors. Here area of the square 576 minus area of the sectors 552 minus 16. So now 576 452 minus 60. Here 10 4, here 8, here 5 3, here 2 1. 123.8 centimeters square. So area of these shaded region 123.8 centimeters square. Next one. From a piece of cardboard in the shape of trapezium ABCD and AB parallel to the CD and angle BCD is 90 degrees, angle C 90 degrees. Quarter of the circle is removed, given AB and BC is 3.5, DE 2.2 centimeters. Calculate the area remaining piece of the cardboard. Take pi value 22 by 7. Here question is given different. Here see. Here question given. Now this is a clipboard. This is a one trapezium. Here see, they are asking A, B, C, D, E. Here to AB equal to BC 3.5 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters. Next, DE 2.2 centimeters. EC here given 3.5 centimeters. Now they are asking what is the area of this space. These shaded. So what is the area of the space? Here see, first shaded here asking calculate the area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. This is the one. They are asking what is the area of these shaded part. So first we find out the area of the trapezium. After we find out the area of these quarter of the circle, quadrant of the circle. Next one, subtract these area of the trapezium, these quadrant of circle. We find the area of the shaded region. So now here, ninth one, given AB length 3.5 centimeters. Now CD length. So CD length, how to we say DE plus EC. DE plus EC. So DE 2 plus 3.5 centimeters. 5.5 centimeters. So we know parallel side, find the parallel side length we find. After height of the height BC is 3.5 centimeters. Now area of trapezium. What is the area of the trapezium? Half cross out, height cross out, A plus B. So 1 by 2. Height how much? 3.5 cross out. AB 3.5 plus BC 5.5. So 1 by 2 cross out, 3.5 cross out, here 9. So 1 by now 3.5 to 1 jar to 4.5 jar. So 35 cross out 45. 45 5 jar. 45 1 jar 45, 45 2 jar 90, 45 3 jar 135, 45 4 jar 180, 45 5 jar 225. 225. 45 3 jar 135 plus 22. 7 5 1. So 157. Here point after one number, point after one number. So two numbers total. 15.75 centimeters square. So we have find the area of the trapezium 15.75 centimeters square. Now area of these sector, area of the sector. Area of the sector how much? 1 by 4 cross out, quadrant we write, quadrant or sector, both one our wish. Area of the quadrant 1 by 4 cross out pi r square. Here 1 by 4 cross out, pi value 22 by 7, r value, now this is a radius 3.5, cross out 3.5. So cancel. 2 2s are 2 11 1 by 3.4 3.4 3 4 12.3.14 cross out, 12.25 by 4 cancellation not coming. Here 22/7 value 3.14 cross out. Ones places both are 5. So 3 after number 4. 4 3s are 12.25/4. So these two cancellation and you are multiply here 9.625 coming. 9.625. Next one. Now area of the 3.1 plus 9.61. 9.61. Yes, see 38.42/4 something. So 9.61, 38.465/9.61 centimeter square. Next one. So now we are finding this area. We are finding this total area. So now area of shaded region equal to area of trapezium minus area of quadrant circle. Quadrant circle. So how much? 15.75 minus 9.61, 6.14 centimeter square. 6.14 centimeter square. These shaded region. Last one. A horse is a place for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meters by 52 meters and it's gathered one corner by rope 24 meters along. How much can it graze? Last one. Here see, this is a rectangle field. Here grazing. Here see, this is here to here 21 centimeters, here to here total 70 centimeters, 52 centimeters. So here grazing of the animals like a mata. So here this is a grazing field, these corner that farmer arranging. So what is the area of this grazing? Here see now A, B, C, D. Next here 10th one, a radius of graze. How much? 21 centimeters. So area of quadrant graze equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4 cross out. Pi value 22 by 7. 21 cross out 21. How much? Here 7 1 jar, 7 3 jar. 2 2 jar, 2 11 jar. 11 3 jar, 33 cross out to 21 by 2. How much? 21 3 jar, 63. 21 3 jar, 63 plus 3, 66 by 2. 21 3 jar, 63, 66 by 2. How much? 2 3 jar, 2 3 jar, 2 3 jar, 6. This one 2 1 jar, 2 1.05. So 331.5 centimeter square. Here see. Now radius here to here 21 centimeters. Area of the quadrant gauge. See, quadrant means this whole circle. Now 4 parts. This part is the one part is the quadrant. This is the one quadrant. This is the one quadrant. This is the one quadrant. Now that is like this, like a given one quadrant. So there total how many parts? 4 parts. How many parts we are taking? 1 by 4. Area of the circle formula pi r square. 1 by 4 cross out pi r square. 1 by 4 cross out 22 by 7. R value 21, 21. 7 3 0. 4 2 0. 2 11 0. 33 cross out to 21 by 2. 662 63 by 2. 331.5 centimeter square. So we have finished the 9 lessons. Tomorrow we are going to the 10th lesson. Okay, shall leave the class.